Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I have the 2018 Shelby GT350. This car has been very elusive. I've been wanting to review one for really a long time, and luckily enough for me, I found one that I was able to review. So let's go ahead and take her for a drive. Like we were saying, once you're inside, this is a really nice place to be. This one's pretty much fully optioned, right?
Yeah, it's got everything. Emergency brakes on.
Thank you. I have done that once. That's not the greatest thing in the world to do.
It's a good place to hit it because you're not going to get in trouble.
Yeah, you're right about 5K. It opens right up. It does not feel like 526. It feels like a lot more than that. Oops, I forgot. Keep it up. What's also nice about the full Alcantara is you don't really lose your grip on it.
No, it's pretty solid out there.
Yep. Yes.
Tell me when you're going to do another pull. So.
Okay. Probably on the on-ramp on the highway might be the... Especially with a car like this, you have to be very selective about when you use the power.
Yeah, I mean, my on-ramp is where I usually do it. I mean, I have a couple of back streets where I will take it and have a little fun with it every once in a while, but... if you're not careful, you're going really fast.
Oh yeah. And because it revs so high, second takes it pretty much just speed limit speeds.
Oh yes, I have done 90 in thirds. So.
Oh man. I think this is the best sounding car I've ever driven. Honestly, and I mean, I've driven Ferrari F12s, Lamborghini Huracans. This sounds so much better. It's like the perfect mixture between an Italian exotic and a V8 muscle car.
Yeah, I agree with you. When you get on it, if you want to try to record the sound a little bit, you can roll your window down.
Okay.
Yeah, and that way, I was almost going to tell you when you did the walk around, if you want me to give it a couple of revs, I would have revved it for you.
Oh, okay. I might, when we get back to the dragway, I'll do it then. And I'll take some pictures for my Instagram and all that. Now for the on-ramp, when do you want me to shift for it? You know, because I know you said, is it still in the break-in period?
No, it's good. It's all fast braking. You can go whatever you want to do.
Okay.
It's all done. I've changed the oil at 900 miles. It's broken in. It's got like 1,200 miles on it, so there's no you can whatever rev. I mean, I push it pretty hard sometimes. So
okay.
Little Grom.
Yeah, a little Honda Grom. I love the shifter feel too. It's very engaging.
Yeah, it's short. It's a very short, and you can really feel it. So what I like about it is you really get a sense of it's easy. It's easy to handle. So.
Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
That's the best sound in the world.
Oh my god. Jeez, my heart is pumping. Wow, that was...
Got up there pretty good, didn't it?
Wow! It's almost like it hits another cam and it just punches you in the back.
Yeah.
That is impressive.
It's like a whole new beast. I am absolutely blown away by this car.
And we kept it under 50,000.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. You have no idea.
No problem. I like, you enjoy cars. I like people that enjoy cars. And, you know, it's like my buddy and I, we're both car nuts. One guy that's got the Jeep, the Porsche, and we're always looking at cars. My other friend's going to buy that new, the BMW X3M that's coming out there.
Oh yeah, just heard about that.
502 horsepower.
Good God.
I know, that's crazy.
That's absurd. But yeah, second takes this car right up there.
Look, what was the speedometer, about 70?
A little bit above, yeah.
Yeah.
About highway speed.
Yeah.
I'll let you know when we get to the driveway because I don't really want to disclose much of anything on this, but a couple of my buddies have filmed videos and such, and like they've gotten tickets in the mail from driving on camera.
Did you read about the guy in the GT350 in Texas?
No, what happened with that?
Okay, he is recording live, right? He's talking about the speed that he's doing. He did 185 miles an hour.
Oh my God.
This is the best part about it. So the cops, they pulled him. He knew they were coming, so he was parked on the side of the road. They came up to it, and there were 3 cop cars, and they were talking to him back and forth. He said, "Well, I didn't do this. I really wasn't there. I was on my way home. Blah blah blah." So they said, finally, the cops said, "Hey, take it to the drag strip. Don't be doing that." The guy left, but the video was online. They saw the video. The guys looked him up. He was a felon.
Oh my God.
They went, it even gets better. They went to his house to get it. They got a search warrant. They found the gun in his house, but his girlfriend smacked the cop, so she got thrown in jail.
Oh gosh.
And they took his car and threw him in jail. Now, how dumb can you be being on the highway, recording yourself doing 185 miles an hour?
That's absurd.
Yeah.
And then putting it online.
Yeah.
He was live all the time. He was talking into the camera all the time. He was
So it's not like you could say, "Oh, I didn't know I was recording." Even so, I mean, you have video. It's not like you can talk yourself out of that one. I didn't know I was going that fast. I'm sorry, officer.
My foot slipped.
Yeah, the clutch
10
slipped for, you know, the minute long it took me to get up to 185 miles an hour, but the gearing is so long in this that it will get right up there. Not a big worry whatsoever.
Well, there's a cop. There's 2 cops.
Yep.
When I do run this time, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to try for an ET. I'm going to really short shift it to get it in 4th as soon as I can.
Yep.
See what my miles per hour is at the trap. So I'm just going to bang, get it in 4th. Not going to worry about, and then I'll wind it out in 4th gear just to see. I'll probably get it in the 4th gear by the little press, probably the 300-foot mark.
Yep.
So I'm just going to short shift, and then from there I'm just going
And then basically go for trap speed.
Yeah, there's some guys at BMWs that do that down there all the time. I'd like to get about 125 or 120.
You should be able to get about that. My buddy I don't know if you ever met him. His name's Vinny, or Vin, in the white Z06 that comes by here a lot. He gets about 125.
Just getting it short shifting it.
No, like winding it out every gear.
Oh, he does.
This thing crackles and pops pretty good too, honestly.
Yeah, if you get on it, I mean.
Look at that Subaru. What a peasant.
Those things are pretty quick though, honestly.
Yeah, they're not bad, those Subarus.
Yep, nope. If I had gotten used to the car, I possibly could have made that, but one, it's not my car. I'm not used to it yet.
It's all right.
And I know how much these things go for, and I really don't.
They're not cheap.
This one was probably around like 60, 65.
I didn't pay that for, but they were asking 72 for it.
Oh God, okay.
Yep.
Oh my god.
I feel like this car is loud, but it sounds so good, nobody would complain.
The only time it's if you if you noticed when we were getting on the highway, that's really loud. We did a decibel,
Yeah.
we did a decibel check on it because Tamworth has a
Sound limit.
sound limit. So this car in normal mode, it's at 5,000 RPMs, because my buddy has a decibel meter, was 97.5.
That's absurd.
That's normal. When we put it in loud mode, it was 113.
Okay, yep, that's loud.
Yep. 113 when I cranked it up to 5,000.
From factory.
Well, no,
that's-
remember I got an X-Bike.
Oh, that's right, without resonators.
I have
That's
no
right.
resonators, right. So that's
it's
the difference.
so essentially, but the 350R is like that from factory.
Right.
So
So yeah, it's not a big deal. I mean, it's just, it's, that's the only thing I put on it. I mean, I'm taking it.
911 turbo.
Ooh, you ready?
Do you know Granite State Dyno? You've heard of them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Alex is my buddy. He's been doing cars, so I'm taking it down the 18th, and we're gonna put it on the dyno. And what we're gonna try to do is, I want to get he's gonna work a little bit. He can get me about 20 horsepower, so that's no big deal. That's all he can get, but I don't care. But he's gonna work a little bit on throttle response. I like the throttle response a little bit better. So.
Mm-hmm.
There's that girl. Oh, that's not a girl. Oh, yes, it was.
You know, I'm not pushing it at all. I'm at like 1/10, and it handles amazing.
Yeah. Those Magna Ride dampers are just, they just.
Mind if I get on it a bit?
All right. If you hit it, I mean, you're not used to the car, but I'll pull rubber in second, third, and fourth.
Really?
Yes. Yep.
Wow.
I pulled rubber at 85 miles an hour in this car.
That's absurd.
Yep.
80 what?
Yep. From third to fourth, I chirped the tires on the highway. Yeah. I've also broken the back end loose.
That's a little bit scary. I've
Yeah.
done that on track in like a
Yeah.
Huracan, Lamborghini Huracan. And I'm also a driving instructor with Dream Drive Exotics. So I've given ride-alongs and stuff like that. And yeah, it's not good when it's
Yeah.
unexpected and you just start snapping around on you.
It was last October when I first got it. It was a cold morning.
Oh, there you go.
I didn't think about it, and I hit it hard in second. Not hard, but enough to where the back end decided it wanted to leave me alone there for a while. So.
Oh yeah. But well, this has been a real pleasure, and
Well,
I really
glad you enjoyed it.
it's probably the best car I've ever reviewed.
Well,
You made a great choice for sure.
I agree. I've had a lot of cars, but I've had a lot faster cars. I had a Fox Body Mustang. It was a low 10-second car and stuff like that. But this is the most fun car. I've had an MG, I had a Jag, but this is the most fun car I've ever driven. I just want to get in a car and take it and go for back roads for a ride, do some downshifting, mess around.
Exactly. But thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please stay tuned for more videos and have a great day.